In a garden full of cheer, there's a sound you love to hear. Giggles bloom like morning dew, calling friends both old and new. Giggles in the garden, soft and sweet, where flowers dance and creatures meet. Butterflies and bees at play, chasing laughter every day. In the garden, giggles bloom, flowers wear their bright perfume. Petals sway in the morning breeze, welcoming birds and buzzing bees. Giggles in the garden, soft and sweet, where flowers dance and creatures meet. Butterflies and bees at play, chasing laughter every day. Butterflies with wings so bright glide and twirl in golden light. Bouncing laughter fills the air, joyful sounds are everywhere. Giggles in the garden, soft and sweet, where flowers dance and creatures meet. Butterflies and bees at play, chasing laughter every day. As the sun begins to set, the garden whispers, "Don't forget."